Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today I am going to take you at Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, also known as Devbhumi, land of gods, located in the northern part of India. The capital of this state is Dehradun. Two very important holy rivers of India, the Ganga and Yamuna, you can see on the map, originate from here. Summers are mostly present, but some places do have hot climate. Winters are very cold, with many places receiving regular snowfalls. Each season is welcomed with folk songs and dance, and so is the harvesting period. The people of the state speak Sanskrit, Hindi, Gadwali, Kumayu, and Bhotia. The traditional dress of women is ghagra along with kameez as a blouse. Women also wear pichoras, a type of garment common during weddings and ceremonies. Women in some parts of the region wear saris in their own typical style. Silver and gold is a significant part of traditional attire. The traditional dress for men is kurta and pajama or kurta and chudidar. This is paired with a topi by the young or pagdi by the older men. You can see on the picture. These are the special topis for young. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Basmati rice, wheat, soybeans, groundnuts, coarse cereals, pulses and oil seeds are the most widely grown crops. Craftsmen of the state are involved in painting stone and wood carving and making gold, silver and copper ornaments which are famous all over the world. Several famous hill stations and pilgrimage centers are situated in the state. Nainital, you can see Nainital, Almora, Mussoorie. The famous hill stations of the state, the important religious places located in this state are Gangotri. You can see here, Gangotri is here. Gangotri is the place where Ganga river originates. And Yamunotri. Yamuna river originates from here. Badrinath and Kedarnath. Now students, we are going to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, also known as the land of the rising sun, is located in the northeastern part of India. The capital state is Itanagar. You can see here, this is the Itanagar. The famous river Brahmaputra enters India through this state. You can see, these are the two streams. This river is Sangpo. It is called Sangpo in China, but now in India it is called Brahmaputra. Two main streams are here and they joins and it becomes Brahmaputra. You can see. Arunachal Pradesh has thick forest, streams and waterfalls. The people of the state mainly engage in farming. They grow rice, wheat, mustard. Women wear a kameez with jacket. Along with a skirt, they wear a cap made of yak hair called as a gurdam. You can see in the picture, this is the dress of the Arunachal Pradesh. Now we are going to Sikkim. Sikkim is the second smallest and the least populated state in India. Its capital city is Gangtok. It is located in the eastern region of the Himalayas. Kanchenjunga, situated between the borders of Nepal and Sikkim. India is the third highest mountain peak in the world. The state has 5 seasons: winter, summer, spring, autumn and monsoon. Summers are pleasant, whereas winters are very cold and there is heavy rainfall in monsoons. The women of the state wear a traditional dress made of beads called baku. Most of the people living here belongs to the Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali tribes. The people of Sikkim speak many languages. Maize is the staple diet in Sikkim, although most of the dishes here are made up of rice. More than vegetarian dishes, people prefer non-vegetarian dishes. Thukpa and momos are special dishes here. The main occupation of the people is farming. Rice, maize, millet, wheat, barley, oranges, tea and cardamom are grown in terrace farming. Horticulture is another important occupation of the people of the state, making it a leading state of the northeast in terms of production and supply of cut flowers in the market. Some famous places of tourist attraction in Sikkim are Nathula Pass. You can see here is the Nathula Pass between Bhutan and Sikkim. Namchi Paling Rumtak Monastery. Somgo Lake. You can see in the picture, this is Somgo Lake. Thank you students. Keep watching, keep doing, keep learning. Be healthy, stay at home. Thank you.